Previously on Airbnb Makeover Diaries. I'm not a professional interior designer, just someone who loves turning spaces into cozy, inviting homes. So when a friend asked me to transform this plain condo into an Airbnb favorite, I said yes to the challenge. I started with the unglamorous but essential work, purging what no longer belongs, cleaning the space.
What I want to accomplish is to fix the layout. I just want to determine muna kung alin ang living room area, alin ang dining area.
And making sense of what needs to happen next. And now, the first of many changes begins.
So definitely magre-repaint, tapos papa-repair yung mga biak-biak, ayan, papayos ko yan. Pero sa cabinets, all are good. Ito lang mga biak-biak na ganyan. So, this one.
With the help of our handyman, Kuya Jojo, we repaired, repainted, and regrouted. Bringing new life into the space. And this is how it looks now. Follow along as I continue transforming this simple condo into a warm, inviting and Airbnb-ready stay. Part 3 is coming next weekend. I'll take you to IKEA as we start shaping the vision for this space. Will I be able to pull it off? See you then. This is Handling Home my way.